Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to dive in on Tesla really quickly. Now, if you guys don't know what's going on, Tesla is going into the S&P 500. So that's, means some interesting events are going to be happening. An interesting turn of events. No, nothing negative in my opinion. Ain't nothing negative. A lot of people are talking about the Tesla sell-off and all these different things. And, I don't think that's what we're going to see, not in the regard that everybody's kind of saying that we're going to see it. So now, if you're new to this channel, feel free to stick around, like, subscribe. On this channel, we love to talk about money, love to talk about investing, we like to talk about how you can succeed from no matter wherever you are, whether you have money or maybe you don't have a lot of money. Listen, you can still succeed. So on this channel, that's what we like to talk about, show you how you can just think and learn about money, investing. Think for yourself. All right, so with Tesla going to S&P 500, they're actually going to be replacing another stock, AVE. Ticker symbol is AIV, and that is it's an apartment and homes like stock or something, and apartment and mortgage stock, whatever. And that's like a $5 stock they're going to be replacing. So that's going out. Tesla's coming in. So a lot of people have kind of talked about the sell-off and different things like that. Well, as you can see, Tesla's green, right? You go out a month, still up. From the time that it took the split, it's still up. So from the moment it took the split, it's still up relatively high. So what's going to happen with Tesla is that now that you have all of these different funds that track the S&P 500, for example, whether it's an ETF or index. So in order for them to track the S&P 500, they have to own the same stocks, that the S&P 500 that are within the S&P 500. So what does that mean? That means that they're going to need to buy Tesla. So they're going to need to get rid of one company and pick up Tesla. It's one of the great things about, having a fund, an ETF, or an index fund. You don't have to do any work. They do the work for you. So you're going to see where Tesla is being bought a whole lot. I'm going to show you some indicators. And, now for those of you that are investing in Tesla, that's a great thing. Like I said, when we zoom out and look at Tesla, I mean, you can see some indicators here, but it's just a big buy. But you can see that, I mean, there's no losing in this investment. And so a lot of people have talked about, oh, it's going to be a sell-off and things like that. And you can see right here is where the split is, right here. This is where the split is, right here, August 31st. And you can see where we are right now. So it's basically about $200 more than it was since the split. So I do see Tesla continue to go on and on and on. One of my other videos, I talked about how it's going to end up right back where it was before the split. So you're going to see that happen. And then probably further down the line, it's going to even go higher than that. But so let's take a look at this on Webull. So you can see here, all this green means how many orders have been going in to buy Tesla. Like, people are just buying it. It's crazy, right? So what you're going to see is you're going to see where some people, they're more than likely maybe take some profits, because they've made some money, especially those that are just, trading Tesla. They don't really care about investing it long term. Or then some that may have said, you know what, I want to take some money off the table. Because like for myself, now I have Tesla in 2 portfolios. That's how much I believe in the technology and the industry. It's not just the company, but it's also the industry and what's happening in our world and how things are starting to change towards, green energy and things like that. So one of my portfolios, which is the one that I typically don't touch the investment. I'm not selling anything out of that per se. But in that particular portfolio, my Tesla stock is up over 1,300%. So imagine if you have a stock and it's up over 1,300%. You're going to have some people who are going to say, you know what, I just doubled my money, or they just gained an extra $200, like it showed from the time it split, an extra $200, for each share that they have. And they're like, you know what, I'm going to sell some of my stock and take some money and do something with it. You're absolutely going to see that. And so you might see a little dip. But in the long run, and even in the short run, you're going to see Tesla continue to go up and go up. Like it's null and void. Our generation and during this time, it's some of the easiest times to create wealth ever. This is like by far has been like one of the easiest investments I've ever invested in. It's just a no-brainer. It's easy. And so with that being said, you're going to see a lot of people be able to have a lot of success in the EV market because of Tesla. In particular, just investing in Tesla alone. The stock is good. The company is good. The company is just not a car company. They're also working on other different things and technology that's going to help revolutionize things for us, or just make things better. So that's my 2 cents. Tesla to the moon, and it's going to the moon. So hey, if you're not investing in Tesla and you're looking to it, and you're interested in, hey, you can try to wait and see if there's a pullback, whatever the case is. But for the most part, you're going to see Tesla go up. You're not going to see Tesla at $100 a share ever again, $200 a share ever again. That's just my opinion, but I'm not a financial advisor, and I am in no way trying to tell you what to do. You're encouraged to do what you want. But yeah, guys, that's just my 2 cents on Tesla. I'm super excited about it. It's just amazing. It's crazy to see how this thing is. Man, look at this. I mean, look at this. This was in the same day. The run up is crazy. Look at that. And of course, the green means people buying. The red means volume that's selling, in short. So if you look up here in the top left, you can see as I navigate the VOL, the volume, you can see right? Like if we go and look at any other indicators, look, Tesla is just all over the place. Massive. So anyways, guys, hope you guys are having a good one. Talk to you next video. Peace.